In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a slightly more advanced shape using the stroke path. So I'm going to start here by making, I'm actually going to make the brush that I'm going to use to stroke my shape with. So I'm going to pick the rounded rectangle, and I'm just going to make the radius of 10. And then on a new layer, I'm just going to make a very small little dashed line. So this will kind of be, you know, like a stitching or something like that. Then I'm just going to come up here, edit, define brush. Okay. All right, we don't need that layer anymore. I'm going to make a new one, and with my shape tool, I'm going to choose a new interesting shape. Let's go with a heart here. That'll be fun. Go ahead and make my new layer for the stroke path to be on. I'm just going to do this in red so you can see it. Let's see, what else do we need to do? So we want to select the brush shape that we just made. And so you can get a sense of the size here with the heart. Then we also need to increase the spacing. Let's see, how does 200 look? Not big enough. Okay, so now the trick with this, let's see if I can remember which one it is we come here to Shape Dynamics. And we want all of these to be 0. We don't want this right now, but we want this. Okay, good. So I just turned this down because I don't want it, you know, I don't want it to be all crazy like that. But I do want this to be set at direction. This is the part you want. So you can see now it will flow as it goes around the heart. So that is important. Okay, so we have that all set up. Now we're going to get our selection back to our empty layer. And then we make our path. And it's all set up now, so this is pretty easy. And there you go. You know, sometimes you get weird overlapping. If that bothers you, you can try increasing the spacing, decreasing the spacing, making the brush a little bigger or smaller until you get a look that looks good. This one actually is pretty good, I would say. So I would be happy with this as a final result.